Baumr-AG's SW4 chainsaw and range of cordless gardening tools, all powered by the 20-volt lithium SYNC battery, has everything you need. The SW4 has a quality 12-inch Oregon bar and chain with a toolless tensioning system. Power delivery is instantaneous, and it has the grunt to effortlessly deal with jobs around the yard. Auto-Oil-Lubrication further contributes to cutting performance, and you can keep tabs on the level thanks to the viewing window. It also has a soft grip handle, ergonomic controls, and a weight of only 3 kilograms. Being lithium-powered, it has a zero-maintenance motor that runs quietly. And you don't have the hassles of mixing fuel, cold starts or fumes. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the convenience of premium, rechargeable, cordless technology. Buy smart. Buy a Baumr.